Hi, good evening. Today we new concept of Laplace transform. So topic 4. So you need to find last topic paper 3 last you need to. So Laplace transform or morning concept. So syllabus you note korele. So first two marking question, define Heaviside function or unit step function. So what is the concept of Heaviside function or unit step functions, right? So like this. Function you have to study in previous. So you know the function. So I can choose, let us consider y is equal to f of x, be any function like x square plus 1. So it is y. At x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on like this. Right? At x is equal to this, it is x axis, it is y axis. At x is equal to 0, so y is equal to something, it is 1. So you mark it is this, y is equal to 1 like this. X is equal to 0, y is equal to it is 1. Next x equal to 1, so y is equal to 2. X equal to 1, y is equal to something, it is 2. X equal to 2, y is equal to 2 square, it is 5. So it is 5 something. So then join these points. So this is the function f of x. This function is called, it is a continuous function, right? So what is the concept of Laplace transform? Laplace transform andre you know, you have to study the continuous functions. Continuous functions ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಲಿಯೋದು Laplace transform. Application of Laplace transform means you have to study continuous functions. And discontinuous functions ಅಂದ್ರೆ like this. These are the discontinuous functions. Discontinuous functions ಎದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ? Fourier transform ದಲ್ಲಿ discontinuous ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Continuous function ದಲ್ಲಿ Laplace transform ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. Then how to define Heaviside function? It is a one kind of function. ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು function ಇರ್ತದೆ. It is Heaviside symbolically denoted by h of t minus of a. Right? Or unit step 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ unit u of t minus of a. These are the symbol of these definitions. Right? Then how to define it is this. A is any number on x axis. Say like this. It is a, t is equal to a. ಇದನ್ನ h ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ t minus of a ಬರ್ತದೆ. That means any value number at t is equal to a ಆದಾಗ something graph is like this. So on the straight line in constant line ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ this a is equal to 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. If a is not equal to 0 like this. So t is equal to a. So if a is not equal to 0, it is graph is like this. So it means a is not equal to 0. So how to define Heaviside functions or unit step function? So it is symbolically denoted by it is this, that equal to definition of Heaviside function is, so range is 0 to 1 measure ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So it is 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. So 0 to it is 1. Right? So it is origin 0 to 1. That range between, that function range between 0 to 1. If 0 ಯಾವಾಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ if t is less than a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ t is equal to a, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ t is less than a ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. t is less than a ಇದ್ದಾಗ so value is 0 ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. if t is greater than or equal to a ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, it is these are the greater than parts. t is greater than or equal to a ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ values. So it is this. So this is the definition of Heaviside function. Two marks ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Define Heaviside function. So it is symbolically denoted by h of t minus of a, or unit step function ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ u of t minus of a that equal to this. So this is the concept of Heaviside function or unit step function. Two marks again only. So study ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.